The Business School is a book written by Robert Kiyosaki, a personal finance author and speaker. The book is a guide to understanding the principles of entrepreneurship and how to create wealth through starting and building a successful business. It is designed to educate readers on the skills, mindset, and strategies needed to build a successful business and achieve financial freedom. The book covers a range of topics, including the importance of financial education, the difference between assets and liabilities, and the role of failure in the process of achieving success. It also includes practical advice and strategies for starting and building a successful business, including how to find and evaluate opportunities, how to raise capital, and how to manage risk. The book also includes case studies and examples of successful entrepreneurs, and provides insights into the mindset and strategies of Robert Kiyosaki. It also includes a detailed plan for achieving wealth, known as the RAL plan: Realize, Educate, Aspire, and Leverage, which is a step-by-step guide to creating wealth through entrepreneurship and investing. Overall, the book is intended to provide readers with a new perspective on entrepreneurship and wealth building, and to empower them to take control of their financial future and achieve financial freedom through starting and building a successful business.